So I can tell you that for free. What are you doing? Going to make Fort Kill Crazy's barracks. See how this on the Z. I'm gonna try something. What are you gonna do? I'm gonna import. VX. Oh, don't tell me I got rid of the. Oh, fuck me. I think I did get rid of. Damn it. Hmm. Wait. Maybe. Oh, fuck. Oh, I thought I had a character that I could use. I deleted all the UE5 stuff. Oh, it's the end of the world. It is. It kind of is. No, it isn't. Again. What am I doing? What are you doing? Fuck. So I need a mailroom, a lounge, laundromat, showers slash bathrooms, mailroom, lounge. I got an idea. What are you gonna do? Something very dumb. Ah, X. Right, so I'm gonna have to do something very dumb. I'm gonna make the floor, then the walls. Or do I? Delete that. I could take advantage of the Boolean. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna Boolean the shit out of this cube. Let's see what I can do with this cube. Nope. I don't need you in the mic. Hold on. 20 by 20 by 20. That's not good. No, I'm gonna make the floor first. Then I'm gonna make the walls. Rather than Boolean, I shouldn't have. Home. Scaleless on the Z. Okay. No. 3. I'm gonna take this. I just scaleless on the Z some more. I'm not happy with there. So now I can take this. Extrude this out. So now I have to take the normals. No. Where are you, extrude? Extrude normals. No. Yeah, right there. Scale this on the Y. That'll do it. Okay. Now, let's do You really need reference art. No. This is well, this is a particular test. I want to see if I can do this from like just random memory. Okay, that's that. And then E again. But this time this is gonna be the lounge. So that means I can move this. I can move this on the X to right around there. And now I need to extrude this. E. Uh-huh. Another E. Uh-huh. Couch, TV, stair, chair, table, table, chairs, chairs, bookshelf. Rec room. So, like, probably table hockey because that's easier to model. Maybe some arcades. Yeah. Through this. Right there. Just be on the safe side. Let's make this hallway bigger. There. I want to include that. Damn it. I can't. Nope. Always a bit bigger. What I have to do is I have to do a knife cut. Why? Yep, that's the face I need. K tool. What are you pondering? Hmm. Let us do this. Yeah. There. Not barracks. Room. Laundry. Bathroom. So this is the mailbox. Rec room. Lounge slash rec room. That'll be the barracks. Yeah, that'll be the barracks. This will be the laundromat. This will be the shower slash bathroom. No, 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 no. Wait. Leave that out. This could be the shower slash bathroom. Let's extrude again. And here can be like maintenance and electric. Now, we need this, this. I'm just gonna make the floor plan. I'll do the walls later. Like I'm just making the floors. The floor. You come out. Around there. This will be the kitchen slash dining hall. So let's get the barracks. Let's get the bedrooms out of the way, or at least the where the soldiers sleep out of the way. Right there should do it. Shit, I fucked up. Maybe I didn't. I don't know yet. Mail, lounge, rec room, kitchen slash diner or dining room, bedroom, laundromat. Yeah, I fucked up. Okay, I'll fix it. So this. Oh. Laundromat. Ah, fuck. Make the laundromat. Scale Y. And there. I can fix this. Strewed you out. Bathroom slash showers. And now what I can do is, yep, I have to use the knife tool again. Okay. Three. Let's get this out. Shit. Level. Straight. Why is it going down? No. No. Mother. Be on the X. Be on the X. Right around there. E. Why is it going down? Wait, hold on. Fine. I'll get rid of the maintenance area. I'll just not do it. But yeah. Now I need to go. Materials. Is that a new one? Material. Name this. Mail. Mailroom is here. But then again, um, I'll leave it as this. Okay. Because, shit. Hmm. Maybe next time I will use reference art. I just wanted to test myself. But then again, it's still not a viable floor plan. Size comparisons all over the fucking place, but whatever. I'll save it as. I'll just save it down. You're not gonna assign any of the material? Nah. Kill crazy barracks. What is it? Ah, fuck. Alright, I got a boop. Really? Yeah, I got a boop. I gotta make room for harmony, especially considering how the last recording crashed. Boop.